34,000 trades, $19,000 in profit, 30 days, and nobody sat watching a screen. This is Day Trade's AutoTrade, expert strategies that run themselves on your own Deriv account around the clock. There's no code to write, no indicators to configure, no charts to sit and watch. You pick a strategy, you set your limits, and it trades, even after you close the browser. It starts here, in the strategy catalog. Every strategy is built and tuned by our team, then published with its real numbers attached. The market it trades, the contract type, how long each position is held, win rate, trade frequency, and a power score that blends the two. Nothing is hidden behind a paywall or a promise. Activating one takes about 15 seconds. Choose your base stake. A single dollar is plenty to start. Set a daily take profit and a daily stop loss. Then choose how the strategy recovers after a losing trade. Classic martingale or the gentler D'Alembert. One click and it is live on your Deriv account. And you're not doing this alone. AutoTrade checks your numbers before they ever go live. A stop loss too tight to survive a recovery chain. A take profit you'd never realistically reach. It tells you exactly what's wrong and suggests numbers that actually work. My Strategies is your control room. Every running strategy, live. Today's profit and loss, the current stake, trade count, win rate, and the stop loss still protecting you. Green means running. Gold means the daily target was hit and the profit is banked. Start, stop, or retune any of them instantly. Some strategies are smarter than a fixed direction. Digit momentum reads the live digit distribution and takes the side that's genuinely leaning. Forex strategies pause themselves the moment the market closes and wake up when it reopens. No babysitting required. Live performance shows you the truth. Every strategy across every account on the platform, updated in real time. Combined profit and loss, total trades, overall win rate, then a 30-day chart for each one so you can judge form, not just totals. Every trade is logged. Your equity curve, built from real settled contracts, performance broken out per strategy, and the full ledger underneath it, time, type, symbol, stake, payout, result. Filter it, drill into any single day, or resync it straight from Deriv. Switch between your demo and real accounts right from the header. Run the whole thing from your phone. And because every trade executes in the cloud, your strategies keep working whether your laptop is open or not. So, connect your Deriv account, choose a strategy, set your limits, and activate. That is the entire process. Day Trade's AutoTrade. Expert strategies, real risk controls, running around the clock. Start free at copy.daytrades.live.